Hey, what are you guys doing to my chimney up there?
Getting it ready for you.
Oh, little Grace.
Oh my God.
Have you been good this year?
I think I have. You tell me.
I've been watching.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
How'd you know my name?
Oh, Santa knows everybody.
Oh my God, it's just what I asked for. Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Santa. Just what I wanted.
You've been good this year too, haven't you? I know you have. Oh, look who we got! Oh,
Santa!
Stevie.
How you doing, Santa?
Really
What do you
good.
got for me?
Well, we'll see. Been paying attention to you, and I can tell what you need. Maybe a little extra fuel for that bad boy.
Oh, yeah.
It's
My
a
favorite.
small one.
Okay, that's perfect.
Small one. Keep being a good boy.
I will.
Oh, Joshy. All the years, always been a really good boy.
Oh, thank you, Santa.
You're welcome.
Santa.
Oh, all right.
Ooh, we got
I'm a
donuts.
rock and roller. Yeah. I don't get to make it to every concert, but I get to live vicariously through you.
Well, thank you for the donuts.
Merry
I
Christmas.
appreciate it. My favorite.
Yeah. Santa knows.
Hey,
Oh, Yui.
Oh, brother. Oh, my
Merry
gosh.
Christmas,
Thank you
Billy.
so much. May the Christmas spirit be with you and all the children.
And you have been such a good boy this year.
I appreciate that. I was expecting coal.
After we talked last year, you have definitely.
Oh,
made a
my
change.
gosh. Jolly old Saint Nick,
It's
I
close to
love
full.
you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I know you've been thinking about this.
I think I have.
And, yep, we got
Wow. Well, thank you.
it. You are
I
welcome.
appreciate it.
She has been wonderful this year. It
Thank
is
you.
amazing. It is amazing. And I know
Oh
this
my
is the one you were
gosh.
thinking about.
Yes,
Made
thank
sure
you.
we got the exact right one for
Thank you so much.
you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Aren't you great?
You girls are amazing. You have been wonderful. I know exactly what, I have exactly what you've been thinking about.
Is it a waterproofing coupon?
No, what she's really been thinking about is Dunkin' Donuts.
Amazing. Thank you, Santa.
Oh, little Amy. Oh. Merry Christmas. Such a wonderful guy.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa.
You guys thought you were gonna miss me, didn't you? Oh, you drove the plane for me. I know what you've been wanting. And I know when you came to visit me earlier, you said something about that.
I did.
So,
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, Santa.
Is that Santa Claus? Hey, Santa.
Oh, there he is.
Uh-oh, too fun. I've been pretty naughty, right? Thank you.
Little bee. Little bee. Oh. Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas. Bradley! Bradley! Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry
Bradley.
Christmas, Santa.
It's good to see you.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas from Basements Plus and Happy Holidays.